This is my first video made by Oppo R11s. I'm currently in Oppo R11s shop here, Singapore. This is the Oppo back camera video. I'm holding it currently. I'm making this video. I don't know how I'm looking like, but I'm making this video by 1080p. Sitting in the Suntec City, drinking my coffee. The place is very beautiful. Many people are here. I'm standing on the taxi stand of Suntec City under the tower number 4. This is the view in front of me. People are standing there on the queue. This is the entrance of tower number 4. Going back now. Finish my Suntec City tour today. Next time I will come again, I think. It's already evening. People are getting out. They are going and coming for shopping.
See around 20 plus. You don't do like, oh.
Amazing view from here. Pink color sky. It's from my balcony. My dinner time is going on. This is the food I ordered. This is vegetable. This is inside car. I don't know what to say. This is rice for me. I'm here in Little India, somewhere, I don't know exactly, places like this. It's good, very good. This is long beans and potato. Very black pepper. Super tasty, but very spicy. Already I'm satisfied. Usually I eat by fork. Today I'm eating by spoon because I took fork, but they need to clean. I don't want to clean that. I need a plain spoon. It's really good.